Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, as the title suggests, we are going to set up my Alicia Souza planner and my Tall Elephant planner for the month of January. Before that, I know that I have to do some kind of goal setting video, but that goal setting is taking a little bit of time for me because I want to give an immense thought on all the goals that I want to achieve. So that video will be coming up shortly next. But till the time, I'm doing the setup for my January video. To start with, let's start with my personal planner. That is my Alicia Souza planner. And you guys have already seen the setup video where I am setting up my affirmations page, my travel vision board. This is how the budget planner is being used. As you guys already know, I'm not going to use the Alicia Souza planner for any kind of budget planning. So I'm converting this spread into something that I can track monthly, which is obviously my weight, my budget, the days that I had no junk or no sugar. So this is how I'm going to track it. I'm just covering up the budget portion here with a simple white sticker, and this is how I will track it. I already have my YouTube and my Instagram numbers, my weight, water intake, sugar and junk food will come in month end every month. This is of course my happiness space or happiness pages. This is the big ideas of mine, my inspiration for YouTube as well as Instagram. I've already started using, as you can see. Now over here, as you can see, that I had my to-do list or my video ideas to be posted here. So I've actually started writing in my video ideas. Before, I actually wanted to do something on this page because this page was looking quite blank. So I decided, I went into my 2021 planner and I had this insert which is perfectly describes me, which says, note to self, you are enough, you are capable of amazing things, your feelings are valid, and stickers make me happy. If these two things don't make my morning, what does? I don't know. So that is the reason I thought I'll stick this here, and this is one of the insert from my Archetype Studio planner in 2021. So I'm just going to use this as an insert here. So I have both my sides sorted here. This will be my first page. I have started writing down my video ideas. I have already put in a lot of birthdays. So the next step would be adding these cake stickers. So we have all the birthdays sorted. I wanted to decorate this page with the stickers in my Tall Elephant sticker book. There are these New Year stickers which I definitely want to use in this spread. So let's start with a Happy New Year sticker right here and some more festive stickers. I'm also traveling this month, so I just want to mark that as well. And obviously there's going to be Republic Day, so again using my Tall Elephant planner to mark Republic Day. This is for Republic Day, 26th of Jan. This is the day or the evening that we leave. And I'm just going to mark all the days that I'm traveling with this simple washi. I'm purposefully using an extremely light colored washi. So if there are some things that I want to write in this grid, I will be able to. I'm also going to be using this particular sticker set from the festive spread that I did back in December setup. So there are some New Year stickers which is still here. I want to have enough space each day to write, so I'm just putting in smaller stickers. I think I forgot one birthday here, so I'm just going to add another cake here. These stars actually look really pretty. I think that's it. That is all the space that I have. I have a little Happy New Year sticker, which I really want to use, but I'll refrain myself at this point. I think this is good enough. I will definitely need a lot of space to write down through the month here. So I think these many stickers are good enough. This is so today as we speak is the 2nd of January. So I have filled in a lot of things already. So for this I intend to decorate it. Again, I have some custom stickers cut out for me which is in the winter theme, and I want this particular theme here for this page to be winter, so I'm just going to use that. Let me try to arrange this. I live in Bombay and we have absolutely no winter, so this is my way of attracting some cold. Oh, I think I should use these books as well. A green color and a blue color. I think this will work out. And I think this should work out too. So I think this spread is going to be super wintry. I think that's pretty. In my habit tracker, I have actually posted on YouTube and posted on Instagram. And since this is on 2nd of January, these two are actually crossed marked. Then I have some other things. Again, who's ill? That is also written here. So as you guys already know that I'm using this as my social media or just my YouTube planner, so you could see what videos are coming up. I have videos lined up till 10th, and that is how I'm working towards. I'm just whiting out the meal plan for now. So this will be my YouTube planner. 2 videos went up on Saturday as well as Sunday. Then I have my sleep, exercise, water, junk, sugar, all of that tracker here. And instead of writing moods there, I have just written the dates which were not present here. So that came in handy. In my setup video, I had mentioned that I will use this page to write down all the videos that have published or have been shot. But unfortunately, I've decided to use this very differently. So if I'm using the ribbons that are given in with this planner, for example here, and if I want to say go back here, the page, this is very uncomfortable. And what if I do this? This becomes even more uncomfortable, and then I can't close the book comfortably. That is the con of a spiral bound. So these bookmarks really don't work for me. So that is the reason I've decided to add a tab here. And I have these tabs ready on this page, because essentially what I will do is I will read the first morning pages and then directly come here for my first pages. And then immediately at the end I need this and this little Jan tab. So if I close this, you will see the Jan tab goes behind the Jan tab. It doesn't really bother me too much, so I can go to my trackers really easily, and this is where I will need them. So that is the reason this tab here becomes very important. Again, this is a cutout from the Archetype Studio planners for 2021, and so that is why I say don't really discard your planners. Obviously keep them for memory sakes, but there are so many things in those planners that can be used, which is one of the reasons last year I bought the Archetype Studio binder planner. So many things and so useful. The binder will also be used in number of ways. I think this year they have not done a binder planner, or else I would have definitely bought one, because there are so many uses to these inserts and you can keep on reusing them. And of course the binder itself can be used in so many ways. Yeah, this looks like this is secured. So I think this is it. This is how I'm going to set up my Alicia Souza planner. Now I was supposed to set up my Tall Elephant planner in exactly this video itself, but I see this video has become super long. So wait for the part 2 for me to set up my Tall Elephant planner for the month of January, and you will see what kind of additions that I have actually made there as well. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye now.